cURL data transmission. Learn how to effectively send data and files using cURL commands. cURL can send key value pairs in URL-encoded forms, making it a versatile tool for interacting with web forms. This method ensures that data is properly encoded for transmission. When sending JSON payloads, cURL allows for the crafting and transmission of structured data. Setting the appropriate headers ensures the data is recognized and processed correctly by the server. Multipart forms allow for the submission of complex data sets, including both text and files. cURL handles these forms by using boundary delimiters to separate different parts of the data. cURL's file upload capabilities enable the transfer of files to servers. By specifying file paths accurately, users can ensure that files uploaded correctly and monitor the progress of these uploads. After data submission, cURL captures server responses, allowing users to process the returned data. Checking response status codes and logging details, crucial for understanding the outcome of the request. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.